So anyways, I'm making my first video on descaling heated coil. I picked up this old unit here from Owatonna. It's been sitting for about 10 years. The coil appears to be totally scaled up, and I'm going to use muriatic acid to do it. I seen someone else made a video on YouTube, so I'm going to attempt to make one myself, and we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to hit pause right now. Okay, I'm back. We're going to go ahead and mix a half a gallon of muriatic acid with 2 gallons of water. And always put the muriatic into the water. Don't put water over the muriatic. You could have some explosive situation there, according to the internet. So I'm going to go ahead and first I'm going to make sure I got flow through this little 12-volt pump I picked up, which I have to hook up quickly, so I'll hit pause. Hey, just hang on. Little 12-volt pump because I don't want to run it through my actual pump on the pressure washer. I'm not sure what the muriatic acid will do to that. So I'm going to do this where I just hook this right up to the battery on the unit and see how much black stuff we can get out of here. Oh, damn it. So if you haven't made a video before you laugh at this one, go ahead and give it a try because it's not as easy as it looks. And I know these videos have helped me a lot, so I'm just trying to maybe help someone else someday. See if we got power here. Maybe go ahead and turn, it's got an on switch, I believe. We do got power here. Let's see if we got any, okay, we are taking water in, This is just straight water. Right now we just have air coming out. I hope this coil isn't shot. We do have a little leakage on top. Still just pumping air through here. It appears like it could be totally plugged right now. Then again, I guess air wouldn't be coming out if it was plugged. It's quite a bit of water already. Anytime we should start getting some return. We got about a gallon in it so far. I hope you can see this. Just a bucket down here with water in it. Got about 2 or 3 gallons in the coil, and so far I have nothing coming out. There it is. Look at that black. Look at that black. Look at the line go black. That's with no muriatic acid so far. Once I put this muriatic acid on here, boy, it's gonna be fun. Wow. That's the straight water flush out. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this muriatic acid up and try some more. Try it again. Okay, we're back. I'm sure some of you are asking, why are you even doing that? Why do you gotta flush out your coil? Well, you don't have to, first of all. It's like, all the hard iron and water you run through these units, it builds up a scale and it plugs up like an artery. An artery like someone who ate cheeseburgers and bacon its whole life. It closes it off slowly until there's nothing left, and then you start losing pressure. And then you start losing pressure once you start using a pressure washer. You might as well use a garden hose. So I'm getting excited to put this half a gallon of muriatic acid into 2 gallons of water. And while we're waiting for that to fill, we'll just go ahead and talk about the unit. It's a 9 horsepower Honda motor. It's about 3,000 PSI, 2.5 gallons per minute probably. I didn't even look at that. It was owned by the Skidoo dealership in Rochester, and they must have got a new unit. So, it's gonna be a good clean unit. It ain't perfect. It needs to be sandblasted and painted. Am I gonna do it? No. I'm gonna run it. So, about another gallon here and then we're off. I'm gonna stop this because nobody wants to sit and watch that. Like I said, before you laugh too hard, why don't you try making a video? It's not as easy as it looks, especially when you have two different heights. So here I'm adding muriatic acid, 2 gallons of water. Always wear gloves when you do this. This shit will burn your hands right off. And eye protection, which I better do that. Better do that. Better get some of my hand protection on quickly here too. So a little unorganized. So anyways, I'm about to put this muriatic acid in again. There is this chemical, it's descaling chemical, you can buy it at Northern Hydraulics. It's about 35 bucks. It's made just for this. It's probably a little more environmentally friendly. And that's not my huge concern at this point. I'm trying to get the coil clean. And then I'll go ahead and dump this right down my drain. No, I'm just kidding, I won't do that. But... Okay, so half of a gallon will be half of this. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh, we got fizzle. We got fizzler. Half a gallon of muriatic acid going in. And we got activity here. We got boiling, bubbling. Let's go ahead and see what happens. You're going to see black coming out of this thing, I hope. It's going to be fun. Better get it a little stronger. Just, why wouldn't we? More is always better. I'm kind of surprised it's not very black yet. I feel like it's not doing anything more than what it was already doing. I'm wondering if I should get the battery charger out here. This might be running. There we go. There's some activity. Can you see this line here? How black it's getting and bubbling like acid's in there? That should clear that all that scale out of there. If you don't do this, you're gonna wreck a coil. A good coil, I think they're about $800. I mean, if you got $800 to burn, why the hell you use your pressure washer? Why don't you just have someone else do it for you? So this is gonna get real black, I'm thinking. And right now we're just recycling the same water, and then I'm gonna switch over to a fresh bucket here in a second. It's not as dark as I thought it was going to be. It's darkening up though. Definitely got bubbly. It's definitely looks like a dangerous situation. I mean, not dangerous, but I wouldn't drink it, you know. Oh, definitely getting some bigger chunks out of there now. Wow. I don't know what that is. I hope I don't plug this pump up. It almost appears that the pump stopped. Oh, there we go. Yeah, took a big blockage out. Wow, now it's getting black. Now, can you see that line right there? That line here, that's all that crap coming out. So I'm just going to keep flushing this through, and then, I don't know, that's it. Hope somebody learned something from this. Have a good night.